Hey guys, iOS 18 public beta 3 is out right after the week of public beta 2. It came surprising to me. I was expecting this update next week, but it is here, which means that Apple is now on a weekly cycle for the public updates, but still they are on a 2-week cycle for the developer beta updates. Anyways, iOS 18 public beta 3 is out. If you're already running public beta 2, what you need to do is simply go to settings, go to journal, and over here in the software update you will see the update and you can install the update. But I'm already on developer beta 4, so I will not developer beta 5, so I will not see the update, but it is here. It comes with a couple of features and changes that I'm going to cover in this video. Important thing, people were asking to change the photos application. As we know that photo application is something like this, where we can swipe between the photos. Over here, as you can see, it was like carousel. We can swipe between different options, recent days, albums, or something like that. On the feedback, Apple removed this one and made it a static page of photos, something like this. Over here, you cannot swipe it anymore. It is quite better than before, honestly. This was like very hectic, it was very confusing, but this one is quite better. It is simple, but still many people are not able to understand the new photos application. To me, it's a decent one, and now it is a much better. It is available with the public beta 3 and developer beta 5. Also, Apple introduces a new feature in Safari that is known as distraction control. So for example, you are in any website and you want to get rid of ads or something, anything from the website, what you need to do is tap over here. There is a hide distracting items option available. As you can see, tap on this, select any item that you want to remove, for example this one, hide, and boom, Thanos feature is already here. For example, if I select this one, I don't want to see this story on on this page, boom, it is gone. And this is how this work. It is really good. It is not exactly a ad blocker, but it can be used as an ad blocker. But it is here. It is a new feature available for Safari with the iOS 18 public beta 3 and also developer beta 5. Now there are many different changes. Other than that, if I go over here and show you the find my icon, the find my icon is revamped. It is slightly better. If I show you the maps, maps app over here, this one is also changed. The icon is completely changed in the dark version. This looks much better. It is more cleaner version of this icon, which is really good. Also, when you are on home screen, tap and hold and get into the jiggle mode. Tap on this edit option. Now there is a new option available known as edit pages, from where you can control your home center in a much better way. It is also available with this update. Alongside this, there are many different UI changes, especially over here. The few icons from here are quite changed. If I go over here and add control over here, I want to show you that mobile data was something different before, but now it is also changed over here. Also, there are few tweaks Apple has done over here with the UI of different icons. So there are a lot of changes over here going on. I will definitely make a detailed video about this in upcoming days, but these are some of the changes that Apple did with the iOS 18 public beta 3. It is just out now, and I'm definitely gonna get deep into it and understand what are the new features, and I'm going to share all the new features, all the new changes in the upcoming videos. But for now, these are some of the highlighting changes that Apple made with this iOS 18 public beta 3. Again, photos application is quite changed. There is a new distraction control feature in the Safari, and some of the UI changes with the control center and more. In my upcoming video, I will definitely talk about more, but for now, that's it from this video. I hope you like this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Do like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.